MLA 8 Essay Formatting Tips.
In this video, I am going to provide a handful of tips for how to format your essay according to MLA 8. Here I have my sample essay, and the first thing I want to do is make sure that I have it written in the correct font. So I'm going to begin by highlighting all of the text. You can do this simply with your cursor by selecting and dragging, or you can use a keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, press Command and the letter A. In Windows, press Control and the letter A. That will highlight all of your text. Under Home, you want to make sure that you are writing in Times New Roman, size 12 font. That is conventional for MLA. The next thing we want to do is double space our essay, and I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first is to find this up and down arrow icon. By selecting on that, you can change the line spacing from 1, meaning single, to 2, meaning double. The other way to double space your essay is to highlight the text and right-click, select Paragraph, and under Indents and Spacing, go to Spacing, Line Spacing, and select Double. Next, I want to differentiate for you between the header and the heading. This can be really confusing. The header is what appears at the top of every page. Double-clicking at the top of your page will open the header. In MLA, our header needs to include a page number and your last name. Start by inserting the page number. Under Header and Footer, find Page Number, select Page Number, and make sure your page numbers will be aligned on the right. When I select OK, a page number appears over here. Now if I move my cursor to this side, I can also add my last name. Now, when I click out of the header, I can see that my last name and the page number are in a slightly faded font. And if I scroll down, I can see that this appears at the top of every page and that the page number progresses along with the essay. Now that we've talked about headers, let's talk about headings. The heading is what appears at the top of the first page, but not on subsequent pages. So move your cursor to the top of the page, and instead of being centered like the title is, we're going to want it to be aligned on the left, like the rest of the essay is. The header includes 4 things. First comes your name. Press Enter to move to the next line, where you're going to want your professor's name. So this will tell us which professor are you writing this essay for. And next you're going to want the name of your class. So for example, let's say I'm writing this essay for English 101, Section 1. That's how I would write the name of the class. And lastly, you will want the date. Write that as day, month, year. So it is May 2nd of 2019, which means I will write that as 2 May 2019. And that is how you format your essay according to MLA 8's standards.
If you have additional questions or would like help with any stage of the writing process, please come visit us at the Writing Center. This link will take you to our website. You can use the yellow Make an Appointment button to schedule an appointment.